Bullish well-suited value expectation is $9.02 to $12.15. Aptos cost could likewise reach $10 soon. Negative well-suited cost expectation for 2022 is $6.70. In Aptos Cost Forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about able to examine the future development of the digital currency. Aptos' current market status in a sort of significant manner. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Aptos is $8.93 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $444,764,104 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, Able really has diminished by practically 3.4% as of now. Besides, Aptos has a coursing supply of 130 million Able. As of now, Aptos exchanges digital currency trades extremely like Binance, Upbit, DigiFinex, OKX, Huobi Global. What is Aptos? Able is the genuinely local crypto badge of the Aptos blockchain. Aptos in a real sense is a Layer 1 blockchain that was created by Aptos Labs. The Aptos mainnet was sent off on October 17, 2022 by Aptos Labs. The Aptos network utilizes a proof-of-stake agreement calculation, which requires validators to have a base measure of marked Aptos tokens to take part in exchange approval. Aptos Value Forecast 2022 Amazingly, the above diagram of Aptos spread out a slipping divert design incredibly. Plunging channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A plunging channel is framed by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. Presently, Aptos in a real sense is in the scope of $8.72 on the off chance that the example proceed. The cost of well-suited could explicitly arrive at the obstruction levels of $9.51, $9.95 and $10.34. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of adept might tumble to $8.50. Aptos backing and opposition levels. The outline beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Aptos, in spite of prevalent thinking. The diagrams show that Aptos has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Able could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at $12.15 in like manner. On the off chance that the financial backers for the most part betray crypto, the cost of Aptos could plunge to nearly $6.70, a negative sign. Aptos Value Forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Aptos is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the RVOL of Adept lies underneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal of Aptos in a real sense is displayed in the outline above. Eminently, Aptos cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. As of now, Able has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of well-suited whenever, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the Adept is 38.26. This implies that Aptos is in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Able may happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Aptos Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Aptos. It generally assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Aptos. As of now, the ADX of well-suited lies in the scope of 13.3648 and hence, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the overall unpredictability file of Aptos. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Able lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Aptos is at 38.26, consequently affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of Able with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Aptos. From the above diagram, we can in every practical sense decipher that the cost activities Able really is a disparate pattern as for BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments, the cost of Adept declines, which is very huge. What's more, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of Adept increments, which sort of is very critical. Aptos Value Expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally especially dials back in force and the pattern switches, Aptos could presumably achieve $15 by 2023. Aptos Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Aptos could especially enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of especially significant financial backers, Adept could mobilize to hit $20 by 2024. Aptos value expectation 2025. If Aptos supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Able would energize to hit $25. Aptos value expectation 2026. If Aptos supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, well-suited would energize to hit $30. Aptos value expectation 2027. If Aptos supports extremely significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Able would mobilize to basically hit $35. Aptos value expectation 2028. If Aptos generally holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns, the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Adept would hit $40 in 2028. Aptos value forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Aptos, it would observe significant spikes. Well-suited could hit $45 by 2029. Aptos value forecast 2030. With more prominent headways in the Aptos biological system, the crypto local area could proceed to, in every practical sense, put resources into Adept for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Aptos could hit $50 by 2030 in spite of mainstream thinking. And, with non-stop upgrades in the Aptos organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Able. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Aptos in 2022 is $12.15. On the fundamentally other hand, the negative value expectation of Aptos cost forecast for 2022 is $6.70. Besides, with the progressions and moves up to the Aptos biological system, the exhibition of Able would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $13.73 very soon. In any case, it could likewise generally reach $10 on the off chance that the financial backers accept that Able is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Aptos? Well-suited is the local crypto badge of the Aptos blockchain in an unobtrusive manner. Aptos really is a Layer 1 blockchain that sort of was created by Aptos Labs. 2. Where might you at any point buy Aptos? Polygon has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Upbit, DigiFinex, OKX, Huobi Global. 3. Will Aptos come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Aptos stage, well-suited has a sort of high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Aptos? On October 19, 2022, Aptos arrived at its new all-time high of $13.73. 5. Is Aptos a wise interest in 2022? Aptos is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Aptos in the beyond couple of months, Able most certainly is viewed as a